Squad, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title above, today I am filming how to keep your knee-high boots from falling down. You know when you wear your knee-high boots and it's always just falling down and like you just can't keep it up where it's supposed to. It just doesn't stay put. It always, eventually by the end of the day, it's riding down and you're pulling at it, tugging at it. Yeah, that always happens to me, and I finally found a solution, and it's very different from what you guys have seen in all those other videos. So let's get into it so I can show you. Okay, so for this video you will obviously need your knee-high boots, right? And then you're going to need leg warmers. This is very, very important to use. If you don't have leg warmers, obviously just thick socks will work. Thick, long socks that are thick, right? So I have thick leg warmers. And also, you don't necessarily need this, but it will help you if you do have Velcro adhesive stickers. So they're called sticky back Velcros. So basically they're Velcro patches that have like a stickier side on, like they each have a sticky side. So you have the Velcro that sticks, and then you have the one that it sticks to. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your leg warmer and you're gonna put it on. Okay, put it on top of whatever you're wearing. All right, good. So then what the leg warmers does is that it makes your knee a little bit more, your legs a little bit more bulky, so that it just gets a hold of the boots and the leg warmers. You could just do it like this and literally it will hold. This adds a little bit more security. So now we're gonna try it. So you're gonna put your boots on. Okay, put your boots on. You can already feel it. Literally, I can already feel that it's not gonna fall just with the leg warmers. Okay, so I have my leggings on, my my knee-high boots on. It literally will not go anywhere. I can shake or whatever, it's not gonna go down because my leg warmers have literally helped it already. But we're gonna make it more secure. So I'm gonna take my Velcro stickies and I'm gonna take one of them. I'm gonna take the one that receives the Velcro. I think it was this one. Good. I'm gonna take it. See how it has an adhesive back? I'm gonna put my boot down a bit. I have to see where it reaches. So I see that it reaches down here. So I'm gonna find a good spot for it. So I'm gonna take it and then I'm gonna stick it to whatever I'm wearing. It usually sticks to anything. Jeans, leggings. Leggings better than jeans, I think, but it still sticks. You see how that's stuck? Now I'm gonna take the other part of the Velcro, the part that actually attaches, because there's one that it attaches to and then the one that attaches together. So once again, I'm gonna take it out. See, it has an adhesive back. And then this time, I'm gonna place it, make sure it's around the same location. I'm gonna place it on the boots, like that. It has adhesive. This adhesive is very good. Easy to take off, easy to put on. Okay, so now I have the Velcro here and then the attachment here. So there's two parts, obviously, as you guys know. And then I'm gonna flip it back up and attach it. I could already feel it. It's nice. It's like this is not gonna go anywhere, guys. Like literally, I do this like all the time now, and it's so helpful. It's really, really good. And you just do the same thing for the other side, and you will literally be good. Like there's nothing else that you need. Your knee-high boots will stay in place. And yeah, that's literally it. Very, very, very easy. So thank you so much, HII Squad, for watching. I hope this was helpful and easy for you. Honestly, I use this all the time, so I had to share it because I know it's fall or winter wherever you are, and I know everyone's wearing knee-high boots right now, and this would probably be very helpful. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow. So bye, HII Squad.
That's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her. See, I'm a crib in dark blue tux and